Students, as you all know that we have completed up to exercise B yesterday, so we are going to start with exercise C today. So first you all have to do that. At the left side mention the date, lesson 2 kinds of sentences, exercise C. At the right side you write classwork and write the statement also in your copies, fair copy with neat handwriting. Rearrange the following words into sentences. Write the kind of each sentence. Means statement is given in the jumbled form because words are here and there. What you all have to do, first you can see in the sentence which one is written in a capital letter, because we all know that sentence start with capital letter. So you are seeing that let word is given in the capital form. So what to do? You all have to write the sentence in a proper order. So this is given words like this. You all have to write like this. Let me do my work now. It means anybody is giving the suggestion to anybody else. So I tell you yesterday also that request, advice and command is given in the imperative sentence. So it is imperative sentence. This kind is of imperative sentence. So come to the second one. Alas / grandfather / died / has given in the sentence. What you all have to do? You all have to arrange it into a proper sequence. So alas is written in the capital letter. So we start like this. Alas ! Grandfather has died. So you are seeing that exclamation mark will be there, and it is the sudden feeling of sadness. So it is sentence is given into exclamatory form. So what is the kind of the sentence? It is exclamatory sentence. Write the spellings also correctly in your copies. All you mostly made the mistakes in your copies. So come to the next one. Sentence is given in the jumble form like this. And go off, light the switch. So what we all have to do? First we find out which word is in the capital form. So go is given in the capital form. So we start with the go. Go and switch off the light. So sentence is in the command form. Somebody is giving the order. Go and switch off the light. So I already told you that in imperative sentence is given in the request, advice or command form. So it is an imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Come to the next one. Sentence given, finish what to game the So what you all have to do? Write it into a proper sequence in a correct order. Then it gives the proper sense. So, and which word is in the capital? It is what. So we write it like this. What a finish to the game. What a finish to the game. And it is the sudden feeling of joy, so it is in the exclamatory form. Sentence is in exclamatory form. So it is an exclamatory sentence. You all have to write in a neat and clean handwriting, leaving one line distance. So it will be neat and clean like this. Complete it properly. Okay. Come to the fifth statement. Fifth is given. Will the itself how dear lion from protect the. In this sentence is given in the jumble form, and when we arrange it in a sequence, we write it like this. How will the deer protect itself from the lion? From the lion. At the last, question mark will be there. You are seeing in this sentence starting with the WH question word, it is how. And at the last we are putting the question mark. So sentence is asking a question. So it is a interrogative form of a sentence. So it is an interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Come to the last sixth one. Not I sing unless will goes he out. In this, we when write it in the proper sequence, we will write like this. I will not sing unless he goes out. So the sentence is direct sentence. It is given in a simple way, and also declaring something. So it is an assertive sentence. Write it like this. Assertive sentence. So what you all have to do? You all have to write in a neat and clean handwriting, and same as I have given in this copy. So complete it in your notebook. And what is your homework today? Revise exercise C and also definition related to this chapter. Revise it properly. Okay, thank you.